How to get Philo free trial. Philo offers a free trial for new users to explore its live TV and on-demand content. Here's how you can sign up and enjoy Philo for free. Overview. Philo typically provides a 7-day free trial to new users, allowing you to experience its service before committing to a subscription. Step 1. Visit the Philo website or app. Open your browser and go to www.philo.com. Alternatively, download the Philo app from your device's app store. Step 2. Click on Start Free Trial. On the homepage, locate the Start Free Trial button. Click it to begin the registration process. Step 3. Create an account. Enter your mobile number or email address. You'll receive a verification code via text or email. Enter the code to proceed. Step 4. Choose a plan. Select the base package or any additional features you'd like to try during the free trial. Step 5. Enter payment information. Philo requires a valid credit or debit card to activate the free trial. You won't be charged until the trial ends, as long as you cancel before then. Step 6. Start watching. Once your account is set up, your free trial will begin immediately. Explore Philo's 70+ live TV channels and on-demand content. Step 7. Cancel before the trial ends, if needed. Log into your Philo account. Go to Account Settings Subscription. Select Cancel Subscription to avoid charges after the trial. By following these steps, you can enjoy Philo's content risk-free during the trial period and decide if it suits your streaming needs.